In this video, I'm going to predict the future, and here it is. In 10 years, Microsoft will run the world. How are they going to do it, you may be asking? With this right here, the Microsoft Azure Sphere. And with this Microsoft Azure Sphere starter kit from Avnet, we're going to show you how they'll do it. Let's get to it. This project is for the Azure Sphere Sensing the World contest on Element 14. You can find our blog and code on element14.com if you'd like to find it for yourself. So how is Microsoft going to run the world? They're providing secure means to capture data, send it to the cloud, and perform neural network checks that would take weeks to complete. But they can do it every second. Let's look at an example. Delayed coking. Delayed coking is a petroleum process that really squeezes more blood from the turnip. Crude oil, that is. It uses matching drums in a batch process at temperatures that go up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. These cycles can cause strain, which need repaired, and that can cost millions of dollars in their downtime. We're going to also take data of the drum as it heats up. We'll send it to the cloud, then we'll send it back to the user to present it as a website. Here are our components. A 3D printed enclosure, an OLED display, the Avnet Azure Sphere, the TF Mini LiDAR distance sensor, a resistance amplifier with strain gauge, and a custom-made micro bus adapter. We'll simulate that delayed coking process by gluing the gauge to a kettle and then heating it. We'll take that data and send it up to the cloud. Let's fire this thing up. We'll also use the Azure Sphere to hit dark sky weather, so we can get ambient conditions and log those as well. Let's look at the data trending. It's hitting the cloud analytics. With this data, we can do element analysis in the cloud, so we can determine if we're running the drum too hard, and then we can optimize it to get the most life out of it. As I said, this approach will save millions in downtime, in turn driving growth-oriented companies to Microsoft services, allowing Microsoft to run the world. And that's it, the Cliff Notes version of our blog. For all the code know-how you can stand, go to our blog at element14.com down below. And remember to like and subscribe for more fun content. We're getting close to that magic 1,000. It uses massing drums in a batch process. I was going to scratch my nose and then I stopped and then I just pulled a really weird hand gesture. This is a paragraph and I don't like paragraphs. I like one shot kind of thing.